Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to find the Z alpha over 2 value. Now, if you are given the level of confidence, then you can use one method. If you are given the actual alpha value, you can use a different method. So let's go to go to Stat Calculators and get the normal calculator. And we have two options. We have the standard, which always gives us, that refers to the left tail area, or we have between, which gives us the middle, however many percent. So if you are given the level of confidence, then you would use the between setting, and you would simply type in that level of confidence. And like, for example, if it was 80% level of confidence, you type in 0.8, enter. And what that says is 80% lies in the middle, and the alpha value in this case would be 1 minus 0.8, so that would be 0.2. So alpha is 0.2, and in this case, if we have a combined tail area of 0.2, alpha is 0.2, then alpha over 2, meaning half of alpha, gives us the single tail area. So if we have 0.8 in the middle, we have a combined tail area alpha of 0.2, then 0.1 is the single tail area. So I have an area of 0.1 in the left tail, an area of 0.1 in the right tail, and an area of 0.8 in the middle. So that's the method given the level of confidence. What we're going to do if we are given the alpha value is we're going to go to the standard here. Let's say I'm given the alpha value of 0.05. So if I have 0.05 as my alpha value, then I am going to find my Z alpha over 2, and in fact I can actually just type in the calculation. My alpha is 0.05, and if I want my alpha over 2, just divide by 2, and I can do /2, enter, and what that'll do is it will tell me that if alpha is 0.05, then the alpha over 2 value actually happens to come out at 0.025, and that is the value that's being used to calculate here, which tells me that the left tail area would be 0.025, that's half of alpha, and the z-score that corresponds would be negative 1.959964. You can round that to however many decimal places. Likewise, if you need the right tail area, then you would simply change this to a positive. This is symmetric about 0, so if you have the negative value here and you want to change it to the positive value, then that just gives you the right tail area, the exact same area. So positive 1.959964 would cut off a right tail area of 0.025 as well. So you can actually do the calculation right in there.